Okay, so we're gonna walk along this kind of cool little path, and yeah, it's like a nice manicured garden with a nice kind of black and white Portuguese tile thing, and it goes along the waterfront. But the whole almost 7 years that I've been here, there's been this thing here this whole time. Let's see what's over there. So we can kind of see. I can't really tell what's there. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I can't really tell what's there, but I think there's like nothing there. They should just let people have the view so they can walk down a nice, that looks pretty cool right there. And then this thing's always been empty too. I've never seen this at use ever, but it's also a nice space that I would think somebody could utilize. There's a desk in there though. I don't know what this one is. It's a nice space though, just so you can kind of see where I'm coming from. This area, this area, and I don't know what's over there, so sometimes I can lift the camera and just see. And I just want to show this building too. So there's a really nice building right there. And actually this right here, I don't know, this is why it's all crooked. I don't know if you can see that very well, like how it's more like this. Actually all of it is kind of going downhill a little bit. I'm not really sure why. But this is such a beautiful space, basically. It's like an underutilized space. And this has also had some kind of real estate thing around it as well. The entire 6.5 years. I've been here since 2013 and right now it's 2019. And I've always seen this with a thing around it and this thing with a thing around it for almost 7 years. But it could have been there for like 20 years, you know, I have no idea. 5, 10 years, 10, who knows. This is another space that seems underutilized. Like this could have something that overlooks the water. Let me see, I think I have a better view of whatever is over here now. So that's for people that are wondering what is over here. But you got these beautiful trees too. Kind of show you how beautiful those are. So they protect you from the shade, and if you had something to sit down and overlook, it'd be a great space. Actually, I think there's a little thing right there that connects from here to here. So I think what I'll do is I'll walk up there, and then we can actually see what's there. Oh, look at that nice shade space. So okay, we're gonna see what this thing is right here. There's like 2 umbrellas right here. It's like 3 umbrellas right there. Let's take a look. Keep going. Sometimes I can film that and I can take a look later. So it's like 3 umbrellas there. So who knows? Somebody could actually be living right there. Those trees too. So beautiful. Get some artwork right here. And then let's see, this space here looks like we can go right up here, so we're gonna do that. Then we can just go, there's a whole bridge that goes all the way like this. Okay, now I can see what we couldn't see the whole time. The whole time was just like kind of these bushes or trees. So we're gonna walk up and get a good view of everything. We can see okay. Look here. Like the sunset, this overlooks everything. Okay, it's the Science Museum. Macao Tower, barely over to the side there. And you got some more stuff here. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. And you can go up over the street there, but I don't want to go this way. This is this little path right here. So, okay, I think we'll conclude it right there. We'll conclude it as soon as I get back down to. Sometimes using a video camera is kind of like playing music. You have to get to that final note. Actually, this is kind of interesting because this is like a little pathway. So there's like bottles and junk, boxes, and it looks like people walk into this pathway somewhere. And right there's like a little bit of a house thing right there. So it looks like somebody must use that from time to time. There's also some chairs that look like they were used often. And some electricity too right there. So, okay, kind of interesting anyways. So yeah, so we're back to these beautiful trees and this kind of manicured and quite beautiful design in a kind of an underused area. I guess on the plus side is you have very futurist, so I guess it's good. And this is the they play like orchestra music and stuff like that, so it's a cultural center. So this is a nice cultural center right here. And we're concluding that spot. Okay. Science Center. And then now we have a sunset right here, so we're just gonna walk down this sunset. So this kind of concludes. This is a Guillain statue, you can see that down there. Bridges, and we're gonna walk all the way down. It is right there. So yeah, pretty nice. Nice sunset. That's a nice conclusion for the day. Yeah, straight ahead is the casino, the one in orange. And we were there earlier today, and we were down there earlier today too. All right. Okay, final view right there. This is at nighttime, so it looks pretty nice. So yeah, the sun is going down, and does it get any better than that? So it's a bridge, Taipa. We'll conclude right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.